Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving deep into what I wish I knew before starting the keto diet. If you're thinking about going keto or just started, this is the video I wish I had seen early on. Stick around, this full review might just save you time, money, and frustration. 1. Seafood is keto gold. One thing I didn't realize? Seafood is one of the best protein sources on keto. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are packed with omega-3s and healthy fats. They keep you full, support brain health, and taste amazing. 2. Not all veggies are keto-friendly. Here's one thing I learned the hard way. Not all veggies are low in carbs. Root vegetables like potatoes, carrots, corn, and beets, high in carbs. Instead, think above ground, leafy, and green. Your top picks are broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, spinach, kale, asparagus, cabbage, bell peppers. Green are lowest in carbs. You don't need to obsess over calories on keto, but net carbs matter. The formula is simple. Total carbs, fiber equals net carbs. Veggies like spinach and lettuce have high fiber and low net carbs, perfect for keto. Always check your labels and portion sizes. Before keto, I avoided salads. Now, they're my daily go-to, but don't drown them in sugary dressings. Stick with these keto-friendly toppings. 1. Avocado. Avocado is the perfect keto macro balance that is practically built for keto. 1 medium avocado equals 2 net carbs, 15 grams of healthy fats, 2 grams of protein. And it's loaded with fiber and potassium, which helps fight off the keto flu. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a clean, fast fuel. The biggest benefit? Coconut oil gives you instant energy on keto, thanks to something called MCTs, or medium-chain triglycerides. Your body converts these fats straight into ketones, giving you clean energy without the crash. Coconut oil is perfect for fasting, pre-workout, and beating brain fog. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil is liquid gold on keto. Let's start with the basics. Extra virgin olive oil, IVU, is packed with monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and keto-approved. You're looking at 0 carbs and 14 grams fat per tablespoon, plus tons of antioxidants. And it's one of the cleanest burning fuels you can eat on keto. 4. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are a nutrient-dense keto snack. Nuts and seeds are packed rich with healthy fats and a bit of protein. Fiber to keep your digestion smooth. And best of all, many are low in net carbs. But it's easy to overdo it. 1 handful can turn into 3, and that can slow down your progress. 5. Berries. Yes, you can eat berries on keto. Good news, not all fruit is off limits on keto. Berries are one of the few fruits that are low enough in sugar and carbs to fit into your daily macros, if you watch your portions. They're also packed with antioxidants, fiber, vitamin C and K, so they're not just allowed, they're actually beneficial. 6. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder. Yes, dark chocolate and cocoa powder works on keto. Unlike milk chocolate, dark chocolate has lower sugar, higher fat and tons of antioxidants. If you pick the right one, it fits perfectly into your low-carb lifestyle. It's rich, satisfying, and helps fight those mid-afternoon cravings without the carb crash. So those are the 6 things I wish I knew before starting keto. I hope this video helps you avoid the mistakes I made and gets you started the smart way. If you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's your biggest keto question or struggle right now?